Updating your payment information on Binance is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Binance account by entering your credentials on the Binance website or mobile app. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is typically found in the Profile menu, often represented by your account icon or name. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In Account Settings, find a section labeled Payment Methods or Payment Information. Click on it to view your current payment options. Step 4. Update your payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.rock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payment information, ensure you save the changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the page and click it to finalize your updates. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on Binance. Always ensure your details are correct to avoid any transaction issues.